Hi everyone, welcome to AI Sales Insider. In this podcast series, we are going to talk about how AI is used in sales. In this first episode, we are going to talk about how AI is changing the way small businesses do sales. Now, if you take AI as a whole, it's not just a buzzword anymore. Like if you see in all the industries, you see AI is used in some aspect in their business. Now, if you take, for example, AI sales agents, now it's a new concept, it's not vastly used, but most of the industries or businesses are actually getting into this space because it promises to deliver conversations through digital channels. Now, in this episode, we are going to dive into the area of AI sales agents and we are going to see how it can be used to boost sales. Let's get into that. Right. The first thing that we need to understand is what are the challenges SMEs face when they go to achieve their sales targets. Now, the reality is achieving sales targets for SMEs is very tough. It's not easy for them. This is mainly due to the high competition that they have. Now, as a result, they have to be very proactive in their sales approach. If they want to achieve their sales target, they have to be very proactive in the market. So, in essence, what we need to understand here is that a reactive sales approach will not work for them. But still, the real question remains the same. What are the challenges SMEs have in achieving sales targets? So, the first thing that we need to understand here is that they don't have a lot of resources. There's a limited number of resources SMEs have. Now, with this limitation, they come up with a challenge. The challenge is they can't be available for their customers 24/7, right? Now, if you take an e-commerce store, now you have a Facebook plugin set up in their website, and now you see a customer or a user coming into the website and saying, "Hi, I want to know the price of this item." No one is available. So this will actually lead to a frustrated customer, and the customer will use a competitor who will provide such services 24/7. So now this is a key factor. Now this key factor is based on cost, because why a e-commerce store cannot provide 24/7? Because it incurs cost for them, because they cannot spend on a resource who will be available there on their website for 24/7, right? So this is actually a critical issue when it comes to SMEs when they achieve sales targets. So this is where AI sales agents would come in. Let's break it down. Now, previously I mentioned that AI sales agents are a new concept. It's not vastly used. So even so many people have asked me, what is an AI sales agent? So let's break it down a bit. Now, you can say an AI sales agent as a digital salesperson, or if you want to simplify it more, you can call it a software with AI, and this software can be used to provide or talk with your customers. So this software will be able to provide answers to your customer queries and provide information about your products and services, and also it will be able to guide your potential customers through your sales process. Now, the real advantage of having a digital salesperson like this in your business, we need to understand it's fully automated. Since it is automated, it doesn't need to sleep. It will be available 24/7. And also, you don't need to pay this kind of a digital salesperson hourly. It will save a lot of cost for you. But the best thing is, while saving cost, you will be able to increase your sales opportunities. So this is where the real advantage lies for you by having a AI sales agent. Now, what we need to understand is the key values that an AI sales agent will bring into your table or your business. Now, the thing is, as a business, you might be having multiple digital channels where you engage with your customers. Now, the best thing about AI sales agents are that, it's not limited to one channel. It can be integrated to multiple channels or multiple platforms. Now, if you start WhatsApp, if you think about WhatsApp, businesses use very, very vastly WhatsApp. So AI sales agents can be integrated to WhatsApp and your Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and your Instagram Messenger and your website. And it doesn't stop there. It can also be integrated into your CRMs. So as a result, all your customer queries gets answered. No customer left without getting answered. And also, the key thing here is that your customer queries are getting answered in the platform or the channel that they prefer to be engaged. So that's a very, very big advantage if you really look at it. Now, the key benefits of having an AI sales agent is actually there can be many, but there are few benefits that I want to highlight. So first thing is, I mentioned it's automated. Since it's automated, we need to understand by having an AI sales agent, you will be able to provide 24/7 engagement in all the platforms that you integrate AI sales agents to. And also by this, you'll be able to handle inquiries or routine inquiries very easily. And also it minimizes the human errors. And also, by being available 24/7, you'll be able to enhance your new customer discovery. You'll be able to recognize or discover potential customers very easily. Through that, you'll be able to increase your sales opportunities or your sales. So the key thing here is you can get all of this without incurring a lot of cost, or you will be achieving all of these things in just a fraction of the cost. So this is what an AI sales agent means. Now, AI sales agents sounds promising, but the real question is, does it really work in the real world scenarios? Now, I've been asked this question a lot. Does AI sales agents work? The answer to that is absolutely yes. There are a lot of use cases to AI sales agents, but let's just break into one or two use cases. Now, let's take a fashion store or a fashion e-commerce store. It's 3 a.m. in the morning and you have a visitor on your website and you have an AI sales agent integrated into your website. Now this visitor is asking about the delivery duration. Now AI sales agent is there, so he gets this inquiry and the AI sales agent gives the information in just seconds. User gets the information and he goes and places the order. There you go. It's a real life scenario. If we get into another use case, let's look at a SaaS solutions provider, right? So now in SaaS solutions, you have inside sales teams working on it. Now you run a Facebook engagement campaign and directs the traffic to your WhatsApp. Now your WhatsApp is integrated with an AI sales agent. Now your potential customers sees the ad and connects to your WhatsApp. Now AI sales agent is there. It provides all the information in seconds, and also your AI sales agent will get the requirement, or they will collect the requirement from the lead, and then the sales team will be able to follow up. There you go. There's another use case. So the real thing that we need to understand here is businesses can increase their after hour conversions by having an AI sales agent. Now you can expect to 30 to 40% increase in your after hour conversions by having an AI sales agent. Now these are some of the use cases that we can discuss in this episode. In the next episode, we are going to discuss how AI sales agents are transforming student enrollment in the education industry. Stay tuned for that. And if you want to learn more about AI sales agents, go to hellosprout.ai, and in that site you'll be able to learn what AI sales agents can do for your business. Thank you for joining in.